Okay, this is the new button box, and what it does when you press the button, here's the red button.
Today is Monday, March 21st. The time is 7:46 a.m. Your next meal is lunch, starting in about 3 hours.
And then, if you want to listen to some audio, I might change this
Playing
button.
recorded audio. Press button again to stop.
Written by Michael Nest, but this first chapter is written by
We can just cancel that.
Joanna Reeder.
And then we'll move on to the appointments.
Today is Monday, March 21st. The time is 7:46 a.m. You have nothing scheduled today. Tomorrow, you have town hall meeting in Great Room at 1:45 p.m.
And then your feature appointments.
Today is Monday, March 21st. The time is 7:47 a.m. Coming up is Martin's birthday, 1961,
that's not even an appointment.
on Sunday, March 27th. On Wednesday, March 23rd at 10:45 a.m., you have foot care from Raylene. On Thursday, March 24th at 3 p.m., you have happy hour in Great Room.
And that's that.